Hi friends, welcome to Bahu Automation Lab once again. This is the lecture 3 of Java programming language. In this lecture, we will see download JDK and set up environmental variable in your system. If you not watch lecture first and second, please watch lecture first and second, then come to the lecture 3. In this series, we need to download the JDK and install the JDK in system. Then we need to set up the environmental variable path. While working with the Java programming language, we need to set up the environmental path in your system. We will see this why environmental setup is very important while working with Java. Okay, so first of all, let's start with beginning. We will download the JDK first. We'll see how to download the JDK. Okay, to download the JDK, we need to go to the Google. We'll see practically here how to and just type download JDK. This is the official website of oracle.com. It's a Java website. We need to go this official website of Java programming to download the JDK. There are multiple version or releases of Java programming like JDK versions. We have already seen the last previous lectures what is current version. So current development Java development kit version is 16.0.2. okay, and it's recommended different OS like Linux like OS, Windows, everything as per your machine. Like Mac machine, you just download Java JDK. Okay, if you want to download the compressed package, the packages here is the bin zip file. If you want to directly download the exe of JDK, you can download from here. Just click on this. Okay, accept the terms and conditions and then download it. If you click on this button, it will automatically start downloading your JDK in your system. I have already downloaded it, so I'll just skip it. Okay, so here is my folder where I have already downloaded the JDK exe bin file. Okay, so we need to install this in your machine. Before that, we need to check that Java or JDK is already installed in your machine or not. Which version of, if it's already installed, check which version of Java program JDK is installed in your machine. So how to check that? Just type Windows R or go to the run application in your system and type Java. Okay, if it is showing some Java files or Java written here, so is the Java is installed in your machine. So then just do one more command like a Java -version. Okay, if it is showing any version here in CMD, it means that you have that version of Java program is installed in your machine. It's currently there is no Java showing here, like Java is not recognized as an external or internal command. If it is written like that, this message, it means that there is no Java installed in your machine. So we need to install the Java in your machine first. Okay, so how to install that? Like I have downloaded Java already, like Java 16. This is the latest JDK. Okay, so we need to install it. So I'll just run it as an administrator, or you can double click on this if you want to install it. For the security reason, I just run as administrator. Just click yes. Okay, it will take some time to start the window. Whenever we start, it's preparing for the installation. We need to click on the next button. Okay, I'll default install the Java on C program. If you want to change the location, you can click on the change button and change the location from here. Okay, but I'll default I'm installing the Java on C program only. So I'll just click OK and next. Okay, it will take validating some components and it will take some time to install the Java in your system. Okay, it's progress bar. It will take some time to install and downloading all the components related to the Java and after that it will copying new files and installing in your system. Extracting installer. Just wait for some time. Okay, look at that. The Java is successfully installed in your system. Okay, So JTM is Java development kit is successfully installed. This, whenever you see this type of message, you just close this window. Okay, it means Java is successfully installed in your system. Now we will again do that command like cmd. Okay, and just type Java. Now you can see the Java related files is showing here. It means Java is successfully installed in your machine. Now do the command java -version. Okay, you can see that Java version 16 in your system is installed. Java version 16.0 is installed in your machine. Whenever you run any Java program in any editor, okay, if you want to run any Java program in any editor, we need to set up a Java environmental path, like Java environmental path. Why Java environmental path is important to set up? Okay, everyone teaches we need to set up the Java environmental path, but we practically know that the why Java is environmental path is very important in system. Whenever you want to run any Java program, system check that Java related software is installed in your machine or not, or where system is checking, system is going to the environmental variable, it's the heart of system, and checking Java related software is installed in machine or not. If he system founds that Java related software is installed in your system, then it will run the Java program or any programming language. Like if you want to run C, if you want to run C++, any language, like we need to set up environment. That code related software is installed in your machine, then only you can run that Java or any C++ related programs in your machine. So we need to set up the environmental path for that. Like go to the Google. For downloading purpose, this is the go to the Google, download JDK. This is the nodes. Okay, and this is the URL. Oracle.com is the official site to download the JDK. Download from official website and install. Okay, before installation, just check like as I check Java version. Check Java version is already installed on your machine or not, and install Java. Okay, till time we done these steps like download JDK and install Java. Okay, now we are set up, we need to set up environmental path in your variable. So how to do that? I have Windows 10. As per your operating system, we need to set up the environmental path. Just check where is your environmental path is set up in your machine. So go to the start and just type environmental variable. Okay, and go to the edit system variable. Okay, edit system environmental variable. This window will be open. Okay, go to the new, just go to the environmental variable. Okay, this is the environmental variable. We need to set up a Java home path in environmental variable. Okay, so that we need to click on new. Okay, and just type in variable name, just type Java underscore home. So Java home. Okay, so we need to check where is the Java is installed. We just installed Java 16, right, in program files. So we need to go for the C program, my computer, C programs. Okay, go to the program files and check the folder name like Java. Here is the folder which is created whenever we install the Java 16. So here is the JDK 16 we have already installed, right? Just click on this folder, just copy this location path of Java 16. Okay, this is the local or home path of Java 16 where we have JDK installed. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, click on OK, and your Java home environmental path is set in your system variable. Okay, so we need to know our Java code. Our Java is installed in this particular location, so we need to set up this Java home path. And one more path we need to set up, like a Java bin. All Java related libraries is in the bin folder. Okay, so we need to know the system where is your Java C or Java C related libraries files is installed. So we need to copy this path till Java bin and go to the path variable. Okay, this is the path variable of your system. Okay, just click on new. sorry, just click on edit. We not need to do new here because it already there are multiple paths are already set here. So just click on edit. Okay, here there are multiple system variable related path is already set up. Okay, so we need to click here new in edit and just paste your bin or your bin library path. Also, Java home path is set in new as a Java home, and the Java bin path is set in your system path variable. Okay, right? So then click on OK. So if you again click on this edit, now this is Java home Java bin path is set up here, and Java home path is set up in system variable. Okay, JDK 16. So this is the home path and this is the bin path. All these two paths are set up here. So just click on OK and just click on OK. Now your system recognized where your Java and your JDK is installed. So JDK install in your system variable through we set up like C program, JD, C program files, Java, JDK. Okay, this we are installed the current version. If you have any like older versions of JDK, JDK 8 to JDK 16, you can install anyone. Okay, there is not lots of change, but stable version of JDK is JDK 8 in the older versions, and JDK 11, 14, 16 are all are stable versions. You can use anyone. Okay, there are little bit changes. We will see that in the next programs, next lectures. But we can use any one of this and just set up the environmental path like this in Java home variable path value where Java is installed. So we'll just set up C programs and in Java folder we just set up Java home, and in path variable we'll set up the Java bin path. Okay, click on OK, and now we will check CMD again. Okay, just type Java hyphen version. Okay, you can see that the Java version of 16.0.2 is installed in your machine, and runtime environment is build 16.0. So before we install the Java, before we set up the environmental path, it will showing Java is not recognized as external or internal command. But now after the installation is completed, and if you when we set up all environmental path correctly, then it will showing like a Java version 16 is installed in your system, and Java runtime environment is set up. Okay, so that's it, guys. How to install, how to download the Java, how to install the how to download the Java JDK, how to install the Java JDK, and how to set up the environmental path. You have just seen practically. Okay, so in next lecture we will set up an editor and run our first Java program. So keep watching next lecture. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Have a great day.